We're gonna turn on my exit signs, see how they're working. What the hell? They're not turning on? No. On this one, this doesn't work. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this thing because I don't think this works. No, this one's having a problem. We're not good. This cord broke. Yeah, this one needs to be replaced. I think that this combo needs to be fixed. I'm just gonna go ahead and put up the new one. Which one needs? I think this one. Alright. Let's connect this. We're gonna go ahead and remove this. So we're gonna remove that guy right here. Not on my YouTube channels anymore. That combo had dead up. Alright, y'all. It seems that the exit sign is actually in emergency mode right now. But what happened? This one never does not do a reset here. But let me just go ahead and remove that old one right here. Alright, I think I only have one combo that is set up right now. But this cord right here doesn't work because I know these two combos are actually flickering. But all too good to go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Comment and subscribe. Have a good night.